In today's video, I'm going to show you Higgsfield Vibe Motion review. Can it really replace motion designers? According to the official Higgsfield Vibe Motion page, the idea is simple. Type a description, and AI generates motion graphics, animated text, loops, presentations, and more without traditional keyframes or timeline editing. It aims to let creators go from idea to moving visuals quickly, reducing dependency on heavy software like After Effects while providing an intuitive canvas to tweak motions in real time. Early industry-focused reviews highlight that Vibe Motion's speed and ease make it appealing for social media content, quick brand animations, and short engaging clips, allowing creators to generate motion from prompts and adjust visuals on the fly, a big step for non-designers. Professionals note that deterministic outputs, the same prompt yields, the same result, and some level of live control are impressive for an AI tool. But the reality from users, especially motion designers, is far more mixed. Several motion graphics professionals report that outputs often look generic or AI-made, are less nuanced than handcrafted work, and can require as much time to fix as it would to create manually. This suggests Vibe Motion isn't replacing designers so much as offering quick, draft-level visuals that might suffice for low-budget work. Community feedback paints a similar picture. Many users find the tool frustrating, inconsistent, or unable to faithfully follow prompts, and sometimes outputs fail entirely, eating credits with little to show. Critics also point out pricing issues and marketing hype overshadowing actual capability. While the tool accelerates simple animations and lowers barriers, it doesn't replace professional motion designers' skill, taste, and precision. Bottom line, Vibe Motion is intriguing and can be worth trying for quick social content or concept generation, but it's not yet a substitute for skilled human motion designers on complex, polished projects. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.